guys, welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I have a very exciting unboxing. And today I'm going to be unboxing a mystery box from the Paper Club. So let's get into it. So I'm so excited to unbox this mystery box today. I absolutely love stationery and being organized and,
sure, Jan.
and organization and pretty pens and books and things like that. So this is definitely a company that speaks to my inner organizational need to be in control of sort of OCD nerd inside of me.
Okay.
But yeah, I'm so excited to be unboxing this one today. I have no idea what's inside, but yeah, the Paper Club seems to be a very lovely group of people, and yeah, they're just starting out, and I think that you guys definitely need to at least know what they're about. So yeah, a little bit more about the Paper Club, I think. So the mystery boxes that they do, they've done a handful of them, I think, already. This one is the black and white mystery box, and it's valued, you can get it for $24.95. Their mystery boxes do range from $19.95 to $24.95. And let's just say you get a good bang for your buck inside of those. Like, I haven't seen what's inside this one, but I've seen inside some of the other ones. And let me tell you, like, there's value in these. Like, I couldn't believe the stuff that they were giving away in the past. And they're also doing monthly subscription boxes, and those are starting at $19.95. But if you subscribe to multiple months at a time, you do actually save some money. So if you're, into this sort of thing like me, this is definitely something you might want to consider. Yeah, and also if you use my last name, Tyrrell, you will get a free $9.95 gift with your order as well. So that is very exciting. I really want to know what the gift is, so you guys have to go and find out what the gift is. But yeah, make sure you use that code Tyrrell. And yeah, let's get into this box. And I also need to mention, my most favorite part of all of this is that every order, or every box, or I'm not sure, $1 goes to Oz Harvest, and that provides 2 meals, I think. So that's actually really exciting. I'm a big fan of Oz Harvest, and in fact I used to work a lot with them at one of my previous jobs. So yeah, I'm really big on, feeding those who need it most.
Excellent.
Oh, I'm so excited. I've been wanting to film this for so long. Ooh. Now, black and white is definitely the color choice for me. Let's just say that. Like, my house is very white, gray, marble, like accents of black here and there. So this is definitely great for my aesthetic. So first in the box, you get a ton of greeting cards. Like, this is insane how many greeting cards you get. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 greeting cards, and they are so cute. So one of them says, "I love you more than anything. Some exclusions apply." Now that is definitely me. Have a really, really, really happy birthday. These are so cute. They're like a blackboard with like chalk writing design. It's so cute. Happy whatever. Love that one. "Happy birthday to you, magnificent person." Well, we know everyone who needs someone who needs that. And you're a bit alright. Yeah, maybe for my brother. So the 5 greeting cards. Now that is such good value, considering like greeting cards these days are at least like $5, at least for like nice ones. I know you can get cheap, like shitty ones for like $1 or $2, but I like to buy a nice card, and for 5 of those, say $5 a pop. I don't know how much they are. Oh, so they're $5.95 each, but say you ran it down to 5. That's already $25 worth. That's your box paid for in just getting greeting cards. So everything else is already a bonus. So yeah, I'm sorted for the rest of the year. Also got this little black and white twiny string. I love this sort of thing for like wrapping up presents and tying them up with these sorts of things. So yeah, and you could use it for whatever you want. So I think that's actually really handy stuff to just have around the house, because you never know when you're gonna need it. And we've got some of the cutest little like present name tags sort of things. So there's a little parrot. That one is so cute. A soccer ball and like a mermaid shell. I love that one. Gotta love that holographicness. And we've also got one thick daddy of a notebook, and I'm very much in need of this actually. I'm like down to the last few pages of the little note thing that I use for like planning my YouTube videos and stuff. So I definitely needed this. This came at the right time. So this is gonna be my new YouTube book. Yeah, it's just lined. Very handy to have. You always need to write something down and when you never have anything to write on. So yeah, absolutely love that. And it feels such nice quality as well. So everything here in the box is from Candlebark Creations. And may I just say, this notebook is valued at $24.95, which is also the same price as the box. So even if you needed a new notebook, you could just buy the box, get the notebook, and get all this other stuff for free. So that is such an awesome deal.
Holy guacamole, yeah.
And also, there's a little message in the box. If you subscribe for 6 months for the subscription box, you'll get a free mystery box. So how awesome is that? You could get all this stuff for free if you subscribe to the subscription box. And also on the other side of the card, there's actually a little message to go to a survey. So if you do the survey, you can get a free greeting card in the mail just for doing the survey. So I'll leave all of this information in the description box below with the codes and the links and all the information you guys will need. I'll have everything down in the description. But yeah, how awesome is that? You could get a greeting card just for watching my video. How awesome is that? And also I must say, with everything going on right now, a lot of us aren't able to be in contact physically with, you know, our friends and family and all of our loved ones and stuff. So just sending everyone a little greeting card might actually brighten their day as well. So yeah, that's a nice way to kind of connect with people that we just can't able to see right now. So yeah, all this stuff is so cute. I can't wait to like use these greeting cards. I know I'm going to send a couple of them out. And definitely in a couple of days, it's my dad's birthday, so his present is going to be super cute. So you guys, make sure you check out the Paper Club. I'm seriously in love with everything they're trying to do. They're trying to, you know, give you beautiful things and help the community through Oz Harvest. And yeah, they're a lovely group of people down there, and I really think that they're worth checking out. So I'll leave links to the website and their Instagram, and yeah, please go check them out. I absolutely can't wait to start planning all my future videos out in this book.